Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the InvestEngine app not updating or syncing properly. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable because app needs a connection to sync account data and portfolio information. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. This refreshes the app and forces it to reload the latest information from the server. Next, you can also try logging out and logging back into your account to refresh your account session. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for InvestEngine and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. If you're using Android, go to the settings, apps, InvestEngine, storage, and then tap clear cache to remove any temporary files that might be affecting the syncing. If the issue continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall the app to install a fresh version. That's how you fix the InvestEngine app not updating or syncing. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.